Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Roblox Memory Dump Error. If you have already tried everything, like clearing the Roblox cache, updating your graphics drivers, and even reinstalling the game, but the error is still there, this method should help. On your Windows computer, open the Start menu and type Windows Security. Open it. Next, on the left side, click Device Security. Under that section, you will see Core Isolation. Click on it. Now look for the setting called Memory Integrity. If it is turned on, switch it off. Windows may ask for administrator permission. Click Yes to confirm. Once you have turned off memory integrity, restart your computer. After restarting, open Roblox and try joining a game. The memory dump error should now be gone. This works because the memory integrity feature can sometimes block Roblox from accessing system memory correctly. While it helps protect your PC, it may cause conflicts with some games. If Roblox now runs smoothly, you have fixed the issue. You can always go back later and turn memory integrity back on if you want the extra security once Roblox releases an update. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.